Addressing the root cause. Real tough one, I know. We have talked about speaking up. Now we are going to talk about looking inward. Tip 7, addressing the root cause is healing. For me, alcohol and drugs wasn't the real issue. It was how I coped with the pain that I didn't know how to handle. Childhood trauma, anxiety, shame, I buried it all. And recovery gave me space to dig deep, to face those wounds, and to begin to heal from the inside out. And it wasn't easy, and it didn't happen overnight. But once I understood what I was really trying to numb, I could start giving myself what I truly needed. Real healing happens at the root, and it is very tough. But that is where the freedom comes from. Up next, we're going to talk about the reward for doing all of this hard work, that it really and truly does get better.